Oh, so when you shake hands with Jimmy Fallon, make sure you play with this first.
So nice to meet you.
Wow, your hands are so soft, Miss Hazel. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that's not necessarily an art project, but a lot of fun. The art of fun is what we're doing today. So, a lot of our friends love playing with kinetic sand. We are fortunate to have a beach across the street, so the kids get to go to the beach a lot.
And play with real sand.
And play with sand. But in this case, if you want to do something inside, maybe it's rainy outside, you can't go out and you want to play with sand, kinetic sand that you buy in the store is kind of expensive. But we found a way to make it here. So I'm going to add the new sand I'm going to make to the sand that I made a few days ago. Here we go. What you're going to need is some sand.
That's interesting.
Yeah, sand. It's all over me already. Some oil. Ask your parents for permission.
Where can I buy sand, Miss Kate?
Well, this sand I bought at the local hardware store. I bought a bag of playground sand, or quick play sand. So I think it's for like someone's sandbox.
So it's clean sand.
It is very clean. If you go to the beach, it's not going to be necessarily clean sand. So you need this, and one more item that I just put somewhere. I'll be right back. Cornstarch. Okay, this is what we're going to do.
Sand, oil, cornstarch.
Yes, all of those things mixed together make this really fun sand. Okay, so I'm going to measure out 5 cups of sand. So I put in 5 cups of the play sand, and now I'm going to put in 3 cups of cornstarch. Okay, so it is going to start out as a messy project.
Do you want gloves, Miss Kate?
No, you gotta feel the stuff. Know that it's all mixed together.
All right.
No gloves for these hands. No, it's not true. I do use gloves, as you know. Sometimes you need gloves. But I'm gonna mix the corn, some people call it corn flour, but the cornstarch and the sand together now. And then I'm gonna add in the oil. It's gonna be a little bit tricky because I'm adding it on top of what I already made, but it's gonna work. So make a little well here.
Undaunted. She marches on.
We can do this. And look, I'm going to use these containers for something later today.
Oh.
I have to make sure, oh yeah, it was 1 cup of oil. I just want to make sure I had the recipes correct in my head.
Miss Kate, you do love a messy project.
I know, and this one is kind of messy, but also so fun. Okay, oh my gosh.
That giant container of olive oil was also an overpurchase. So when we made something else that we did the math wrong. And we ended up with gallons and gallons of extra oil.
Yeah, but you know, it's
We
okay.
just find another way to use it.
Exactly. We can use it for lots of things. Okay, so now I'm going to put this aside. And now here comes the super fun part where you get to put your hands in here. I'm going to try and absorb some of the oil with the sand and the cornstarch.
It's like a river. I can see
It is
a river of oil over here.
It's just moving everywhere. So you just have to get your hands in there and start mixing.
I feel like this would be a super fun project to do with the kids.
Mm-hmm. They would love this.
Make sure you protect the area, or you do it outside.
Outside, because it really doesn't matter if you get it all over the place. So the kinetic sand sticks together so you can build things with it. Go get some tools, ask permission, but you could use spoons and measuring cups and all sorts of things.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it feeling, Miss Kate?
It feels really good. It's kind of like, well, if you ever put your hands in the dough to help mix it up because you're having a hard time making it all blend together, you do that. Miss Hazel's going to stick her hands in here. She wants to try this out. You should come try it out. Doesn't it feel nice?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. And with the oil in there, it's really good for your skin.
Oh my gosh. And it's a bit of an exfoliant because it's got this.
Her hands are going to be baby soft in just moments.
Oh, this is
We're going to have the most
good.
delightful hands.
Yeah. Oh, this is good.
Oh, so when you shake hands with Jimmy Fallon, make sure you play with this first.
So nice to meet you.
Wow, your hands are so soft, Miss Hazel. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Very silly. Oh, it's a little goopy down at the bottom.
Oh yeah, I was trying to find the oil there. Oh, there it is.
Oh my
It got
gosh,
pushed
that's
aside.
so good.
This may not have been the easiest container.
No,
It was
I
something
know.
that was,
I
think we lost the
Make a
lid.
snowball or something with it before I go.
Or a sandball.
A sandball. There we go.
Yeah, because it
Bam.
can't really be a snowball. Just
Thanks
saying.
for letting me play, Miss
Oh,
Kate.
of course. It's super fun. Okay, so we're almost there. We saw Miss Hazel was able to clump some stuff together. Oh, we're so close. So
Oh, Miss
incredibly
Kate, my
close.
hands are softer than a baby's bottom.
Oh, so good. Baby's bottoms are very soft, and now your hands. I can imagine what that's like. Okay, oop, I got a little dry sand over here in the corner.
And honestly, my hands are not a big hot mess right now.
No, it all comes off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to show your hands on the
Honestly,
camera?
look at this. I just went like this with a little towel, and look at that.
Yeah, like right now mine are really messy, but look how it clumps together.
Oh my gosh,
So-
that is so fun.
Great. Okay, but now I will take,
Oh, what are you gonna do?
well, I was going to make some little
Oh, yeah.
lumps so you could see that it really does stick together. So I'll make a flat little area here.
Oh, you're at the beach, Miss Kate.
La-di-da, I'm going to make a little sand, oops, I'm not coming out. Okay, make a little sand mountain.
Oh, yeah. So fun. And really, really cost effective because you can
Oh,
use
yeah.
any kind of oil.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be olive oil.
No.
Yeah, you could use any kind of oil that you have, that you're allowed to use. And cornstarch, because as you know, we have a lot of cornstarch here, but you probably have some cornstarch in your pantry. And then sand is not as easy.
Yeah.
But if you have, oh my gosh, I did not mix it very well over here. I can see right through the plastic. If you have a sandbox at your house.
It just stopped.
Oh, it stopped?
No space on the memory card.
Okay. All right, well, thanks everybody.
Yes, say goodbye.
Thanks everybody. Bye.
Bye, friends.